So here is the setup, an unmodified butter knife. I've wedged it in there between some drill inserts, just so it doesn't flex as hard when it's actually cutting. We'll see what happens. Let's give it a shot, see how it cuts. I know we're kind of limited in how aggressive we can get based on the rigidity of this machine, but we will go ahead and keep on cutting with it. See if we can't get that finished. Yeah, it does not like big cuts, but it is also very lacking in rigidity. And I did not modify or grind this yet, but that was the next step. If this did not cut very good, I was going to go and just grind an actual tool bit. Yeah, I mean, honestly, it's not cutting terribly for, being a butter knife. All right, let's check out how it does on the OD. Alright, let's get in here for some close action. And the bit that's obviously more supported is a little more rigid. I think I found the sweet spot. I did not find the sweet spot, but it does cut. I think if you're in a pinch and you just wanted to cut a little chamfer, a little beveled edge, I think a knife would be perfect, as long as you don't care about any chattering. Unfortunately, I only have this drop piece, and I don't have anything longer, so I can't really get a good test on the OD, but honestly, it's not terrible. I mean, for being a butter knife without a good angle on it. So, I mean, stay tuned. Please like, follow, subscribe, and we'll step up to the next material on the next video. Thanks for watching.